Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve the following simultaneous equation by elimination method. Alright, so the step 1 would be to label the following equation. So this one I will label as the first equation, equation number 1, and equation number 2. Step 2. Now we need to observe to see which of the variables can we eliminate. I saw that there is a negative 3y and a positive 3y here. So now we need to decide and think. How can we eliminate this 3y when we either plus or minus the equation? So this is how we should think. So I would have my negative 3y. I will have my positive 3y. Do we add or do we minus such that they will be equal to 0? And that's how we eliminate them. You would have realized we are going to add these together so that we can eliminate 3y. Okay, and that's what we are going to do. So I will have equation 1 adding equation 2. And when I do that, you will see my 4x adding my 7x. Negative 3y plus 3y will be equals to 0. We have established that already. Okay. So this will be equals to negative 23 plus my 1 on the other side of the equation. And we can solve this equation already, isn't it? Right? So we would have 4x plus 7x. That will give me 11x. Negative 23 plus 1. Negative 22. And therefore my x will be equals to negative 22 divided by 11. Very good. Negative 2. Next one, the moment we have this value of x, then all we have to do next would then be to substitute x equals to negative 2 into either 1 or 2, either equation 1 or equation 2. It does not matter. You will get the same answer. But I observe that equation 2 are all positive terms. So that is what I would choose. And I would have my 7x plus 3y equals to 1. Take note. Because now we know what is x. X is negative 2. And therefore, I will substitute this x with, yes, negative 2. Okay. So therefore, we just need to solve this equation. 7 times negative 2 will be negative 14 plus 3y equals to 1. So 3y will be equals to 1 plus 14. Very good. For those who are not exactly sure why this happened, well, if we add 14 on both sides, you can see that 14 minus 14 will be equals to 0. That's what we are doing, okay? And therefore, it is plus 14. 3y will be equals to 15 in this case, and eventually y is equals to 15 divided by 3, y equals to 5. And before we end off this video, it is recommended to check your answer by substituting these two values of x and y into equation 1. Okay, that would be the last check that we would want to do. So I'm going to do the check at the side here. You can do the check anywhere. Okay. And since now I know the value of x and y, so I will just do a quick check by substituting into equation 1 for x. What is the value of x? -2 minus 3y. What is my y? 5. And using my calculator, let's see what does this give me. Oh, indeed, -23. And therefore, our answer is correct. It fits the equation or satisfies the equation. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.